Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, 12th of December, and we are here for a midweek analysis. Now, over the weekend, we spoke about the possibility that it was a strong momentum for the entire last week, and it is also suggested that the coming week, so this ongoing week, may give us some kind of a retracement or some kind of a profit booking to begin with. So, the move has started today, right? So apparently we have identified or we have found a top in recent time, and on a daily time frame this correction is taking place. Now this correction is important for a couple of reasons. Number one is that Nifty is moving in an upwardly direction tirelessly since 26th of October onwards. So since 26th of October to 12th of December, so this is a long period of time, and there is not a considerable dip in market. Just like how we got in bank Nifty, the dip is missing in this Nifty's entire upwardly rally. So this is one of the point. Second important aspect is that we had calculated a range on the basis of open interest in the last week, wherein I was very categorically talking about that this range may not get invalidated, and a target of 21,100 was calculated. Now eventually Nifty has not managed to cross above 21,000 on a closing basis, and it has given us some kind of a profit booking today. Did Nifty manage to close above 21,000 on any day? So the closing of yesterday was 20,997, so tad below 21,000. So no, we don't have any closing above 21,000 so far. And as for bank Nifty, it took resistance exactly at the range high, that is at 47,500, and from there it has given up. Now this also means that we might see some kind of a correction, and that correction will tell us more about the trend that is likely to be there towards the end of this month and also for the next month, how we are expecting things to happen. But when we look at all these aspects from the analytical view, it is essential that we have to identify a certain tradable setup which can be traded with a small stop loss. So let us talk about that part as well in today's video. But before we do that, let us quickly go to WhatsApp group to see what was today's morning message. So today morning, Tuesday 12th of December, Nifty range may be 20,200 to 21,000, and a bank Nifty range may be 45,500 to 47,500. With such a strong closing in last week, in this week we may see a small upside, most importantly some profit booking possible. Another possibility is that we may get a small spinning top which may give a possible profit booking. Stock specific market, so identify weaker stocks to short, and that's it. Happy trading is what I'm saying. But the footnote says weekly corners RSI is overbought, so a cool off in this week possible. See, this is something that we get to know before the actual thing happen. It can be a correction or a sideways move, as Nifty weekly contract suggest a RF target at 20,700. So in next 3 days till Thursday, this target may deliver. So essentially we were looking at a 20,700 as a target. A message from Sandeep states that he was talking about this reflex stock. I had shared this reflex observation in the last video as well. So he exited this reflex with a handsome 7 lakh rupees profit. Now if you take a look at this particular chart of Nifty as well as bank Nifty, let's quickly go to Nifty. Now when we look at this Nifty individual chart, on an hourly chart you can see that the range is being obliged, the price is within the range, it has started to give some kind of a retracement. It may also be possible that we might again go back to 21,000, retest this level, and then again give up the gains on this. But essentially my expectation is that till Thursday we should reach to this target of 20,700. So we will reach to this target, and again we might bounce back from these levels. So that is possible, but look at the target of 20,700 as this level is expected in Nifty. So this can be a trade for next 2 to 3 days. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in these 2 days, we might see this target getting completed. In a similar way, Bank Nifty has also obliged to this range, taken a resistance at 47,500, and slowly it has started to drift down. Now while drifting down, it might come and fill this gap, right, the gap which is left open up till 45,000, but it's still a long way. It's about, I would say, 2,000 points, 2,000 odd points. So in between, if we can manage an entry with a small stop loss, that would be ideal. And we will trade only and only when we get an entry with a small stop loss. Unless and until there is an entry with a small stop loss, we will avoid the trades. Will not trade randomly on the basis of anticipation. But yeah, now as the profit booking can be seen, so slowly it should intensify over next couple of days towards Friday, or maybe in the next week also it might intensify. So be cautious, don't be aggressively bullish. This can be one of the instance when you might see a good kind of a profit booking in the mid cap and small cap section. If this correction, right now I'm considering this correction as a limited profit booking on a daily time frame. It's not a bigger correction as of now. As it will unfold, we'll get more clarity about it, and then that will be the right time to comment about the gravity of this correction or a gravity of this profit booking. Initially we'll take just one step at a time, one day at a time, and upon confirmation only we'll initiate any kind of a trade. So this is how I am looking at this current phase of profit booking. But let me remind you again, even in my Sunday's video I had shared this, or over the weekend video I had shared this, that after such a magnificent rally, now there can be a pause candle, there can be a candle where we might see not much of a action, a sideways spinning top kind of a action, or some kind of a profit booking. So that profit booking has finally started, and we have to identify entry with a small stop loss so that it will be a tradable opportunity, and this is how we should look at it. That's it from me for this particular week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.